Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel DevOps World. Today I am going to show you how to install Terraform on Windows operating system. So guys, I have logged in my Windows operating system. So you go to your browser and just type download Terraform. So you just click on first link. So if you're able to see guys, we have this Windows operating system option where 32-bit and 64-bit has given. So based on your operating system bit, you can choose either 62 or 64-bit as per your convenience. So guys, before going to start installation of Terraform, I would like to give you little overview about Terraform. So guys, basically Terraform is an infrastructure as a code developed by HashiCorp Corporation, and it is using HashiCorp configuration language to define your infrastructure as a code in configuration file. And also guys, Terraform works with cloud provider as well as non-cloud provider. So Terraform has more than 1,000 providers, which includes cloud as well as non-cloud platforms. It is also support platform as a services provider to build their infrastructure. And also guys, using Terraform you can not only build your infrastructure, you can manage your infrastructure, you can destroy infrastructure is in a safe manner as well as consistent manner. So that's why guys, Terraform is so much popular when you talk about in Terraform infrastructure as a code. So I hope you will understood what exactly Terraform all about. So now you go to click 64-bit because I have the 64-bit operating system, and just click this one. So it will start downloading and it will create one zip file. So just go where I have downloaded the file. In your case might be the path will be different. So you just go to that path where you have installed downloaded your file. So I just go and yeah, so here guys, I got downloaded in my downloads folder. Before going to unzip guys, you go to your PC, go to your C drive, and go go to program file and create one folder called Terraform. So now guys, you have downloaded the Terraform. Now we are going to set the path. After setting the path, we able to access our Terraform. So I'll just go and create one folder. So I just give the name Terraform and go to again download folder and just unzip this folder. So guys, once you unzip that folder, you just click and cut and go to the same program file and go to Terraform directory which we have created and paste this file. So basically guys, we have to put this executable file in a path. So I have put it in program file. As per your convenient, as per your project requirement, you can keep somewhere else, but I'm keeping here so that I don't have to go inside many directories. So I can whenever I need to check where I have installed the Terraform, I'll just go to C drive and after that program file and I just go to Terraform. So if you would like to keep Terraform folder outside the program file, that also you can do that. There is no kind of any issue. So it's up to you where you want to keep your file as per your convenient. So I'll just keep here, and if I go CMD and I do Terraform hyphen version. So guys, right now you able to see we are getting Terraform is not recognized as an internal and external command because till now we did not have set environment variable. So right now we are in user slash administrator path, but if you aware of that, we have put this executable file inside program file inside Terraform directory. So if I copy this directory and again I just go to this path and if I do Terraform hyphen hyphen version. So guys, you able to see we got success message saying that Terraform version 1.1.2 on Windows AMD 64-bit. So basically guys, what where we keep this Terraform executable file, it behave as a local. So it should be work any of path you will there in your Windows machine. If I'm in administrator path, that also should be work. If I go to desktop, that should be go work. And if I go to another partition of this drive, that also should be work. So how Windows will recognize where the Terraform is there and it will fetch it. So for that we need to set one environment variable in our operating system so that whenever we keep Terraform, doesn't matter which folder you are, it always recognize the Terraform command. For that you click this environment variable, or you can go to computer and go to system properties and just click on environment variable. And guys, you just come to this here, you need to go to this path. If you are able to see this P capital and all are small path, and just click edit, click new, and you just copy this path, just click new and copy this path. At the last you just put one backward slash and keep OK, OK and OK. So guys, in Windows, what happen if I again I would like to go and I would like to check if I go to previous directory, cd user, cd administrator, and again if I do Terraform, it will not work because in Windows whatever the command prompt you have opened, and after that if you done any changes in your environment variable, so the command prompt will not recognize that environment variable. So you have to close this current command prompt and you have to open new command prompt, because this is not a Linux system. In Linux system is very easy. You can set your environment variable and you are already in command prompt, so there will no facing kind of issue. But in Windows we have this such kind of issue. So once you open your new command prompt, you again try to check your Terraform version, and let's see what we are getting. So guys, if you're able to see, we getting successful message like Terraform version 1.2.2 and Windows 64-bit. So like this guys, you can install Terraform on your Windows machine, and if it will perform all over the operating system, then you need to set the environment variable. Otherwise Terraform command will not recognize by the Windows, only it will recognize where you have put the file. Apart from that, other directories is not going to be recognizable by the Windows. So if I go to C drive, okay, so if I go to C drive and again if I do Terraform hyphen version, then also Windows can able to recognize this Terraform command, because we have set this Terraform at the higher level, at the top level, which is called environment variable. So like this guys, you can do your Terraform setup on your Windows. I hope that guys you have liked this video, and thanks for watching this video. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I upload any new informative video, you will get on the time and you able to see the video. For as of now guys, thank you so much.